If you're thinking about selling your home in North Park, there's one mistake I see far too often, and it can cost you thousands. I'm Z with the McT Real Estate Group here in North Park, and today I want to help you avoid one of the most common and expensive seller missteps in our market. We're going to keep it simple, no jargon, no fluff, just the one thing you need to get right before you list your home. Here it is. Pricing your home based on what you want or need to get instead of what the market will support. It sounds obvious, but it happens all the time. Sellers say, we need X for our next home, or we heard the house down the street sold for Y, so ours must be worth more. And I get it. You've put money, time, and love into your home, but here's the truth. Buyers don't really care what you paid or what you need. They care what your home is worth to them right now at this very moment. And in a neighborhood like North Park, where every house is a little different, craftsman, Spanish-style bungalows, some super remodeled, some in original condition, and some in between, it's not always easy to compare apples to apples. That's why pricing based on emotion or assumptions can backfire. What usually happens, the home sits, you get a few showings, maybe some light interest, but no serious offers. After a few weeks, it starts to feel stale. Buyers assume something's wrong, then you drop the price, and now you're chasing the market instead of leading it. That's when the lowball offers start rolling in. So how do you avoid that? Start with a real data-backed pricing strategy, not a Zestimate, not what your neighbor's cousin got last year. I'm talking about actual comps, current buyer activity, and what's trending in our hyper-local North Park market. We look at things like condition, layout, lot size, recent sales within a few blocks, and how buyers are behaving right now. Are they moving fast? Are they negotiating hard? These things change month to month. The goal isn't just to price it high, the goal is to price it right, so it grabs attention, builds momentum, and puts you in control. Here's something else I've noticed. The best offers usually come in the first 7 to 10 days. That window is critical. That's when your home is fresh, new to market, and buyers are most excited. Miss that window, and you're often settling later. So if you're planning to sell, don't fall into the price high and see what happens trap. In North Park, the market talks fast and buyers are savvy. If you'd like to talk through what your home could realistically sell for and how to position it to get the best result, I'm here for that. I'm Z with the McT Real Estate Group based right here in North Park. My team and I know this neighborhood inside and out, and we'd be happy to chat. You can book a free consultation anytime, no pressure. Just real information to help you decide what's next.